Hello and welcome to making a show about how to make hard-boiled egg sandwiches. First thing you gotta do is crack the eggs and peel the shell off so it doesn't cut your insides. This might take a few moments. Okay. Doing the egg and almost done the first egg. Oh, crud. Scoop the egg and have to okay, we have to do the second egg. This might take another moment again, just wait a moment till crud. Great. Did it go on the plate? Great. Okay, we need to peel the second egg, and we need it with mayonnaise. Or you could do mustard too if you like, thank you. If you wanted to, it's your choice. But this be with mayonnaise. Okay, it looks like eggs are completely peeled. Now what we need to do is spread the mayonnaise onto the bread. Just a little bit so no one gets high cholesterol. And spread the third slice of the bread. To get some on my thumb, great. Yum, tasty, tastes like eggs in oil, and tastes like vinegar. Oh, crud. It dropped the... Okay, best thing to do is to, now you cut the egg, and you put it on the bread. Now one sandwich is done. Oops. Now we do the second egg. We cut it. Always have to pay attention where you're cutting because you don't want to cut yourself if it's with a sharp knife. Now we get the eggs on there, and we have to put the sandwich on there, and here is your hard-boiled egg sandwiches. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great night.